Hello, everybody. My name is Brianna Haynes, and this is my instructional technology tool presentation. The instructional tool that I chose to use for this assignment was Nearpod. And what Nearpod is an interactive classroom tool. And what this tool does is it engages students by adding interactive activities to your lessons. So you can insert a video because we know that most of the kids that I teach second grade, they love videos. In those videos, I like to insert things like questions. If they go through something, I ask them, it'll stop and I'll pause and I'll ask them questions. It'll do things like collaboration boards where you can ask a question and they can post a sticky note of different colors for each child, what their opinion is, and you can also create a poll for things. You can also do quizzes. During the pandemic, whenever our school system was down, this is how I gave all of my quizzes through Nearpod, and that is a website here at the bottom. So the classroom management benefits from using Nearpod, and I'm just going to read these to you. Visibility to on and off task behavior, ensure 100% student participation, receive immediate feedback and post session reports, benefit from synchronous devices, boost accountability for independent work, and promote ownership of learning with student notes. And promoting learning and having them to boost their accountability for independent work was a big thing to me. That is why I use this interactive tool the most in my classroom. Actually, at my school, you have to be Nearpod certified. Each teacher has to be Nearpod certified because of all these benefits that it brings to your classroom. For example, as far as the receiving immediate feedback and post session reports, when I give my quizzes, it just automatically grades it for me. So it did two things. Like they learned the lesson, they took their quiz, and it also graded the quiz for me. It ensures 100% student participation. If a student is not participating, it'll send me an alert. Or while I'm teaching, it will, because I can teach this a live lesson. So if they're not participating, it will give me an alert like, hey, this student's not participating. How can Nearpod be used to differentiate instruction? Nearpod uses formative assessments and activities on their platform. These are effective for differentiating instruction. So everybody might not like true or false questions. Everybody might not like doing multiple choice questions on their test. Some tests might be better as polls or just asking a short answer question. So it gives the students different types of instructions to look for. And when I put all of these different types of instructions or formative assessments into my lessons, that gives them the outlook on and say, oh, I really like doing this. I like doing a poll better than I like doing short answer, or I like true and false better than multiple choice. So I've had a lot of students tell me that before. Nearpod has different pricing. They have a silver edition, which is free for anybody to use. The subscription that I use is the school and district uh, edition. I don't know how much that is because it just, you see right here, it says custom if you look at the picture. But my school system pays for everybody in the district to have access to Nearpod. They also have a gold membership, and then that membership option starts at 120, as you can see in the picture. So it's basically like $10 per month, which isn't bad. So these are just some examples of using Nearpod in my classroom. I'm going to click on them so we can see them. So this is what a 2.0 presentations, this is what I use honestly beyond 12th grade. So I use this during a college lesson. So as you can see, it plays the video. Once it plays